Okay, we get a call this morning. First call. It's of course, it's in a medical facility, and they don't know which one's which. But I found the one that I needed to work on. As you see, I got it apart. One thing I noticed when I pulled, this is a three-phase unit. So one thing I noticed when I pulled, I got stuff in my pocket here. When I pulled, and a blinking, that's a carrier phase monitor for their three-phase condensing units, and I noticed that light was blinking. So apparently there's nothing on the diagram telling you what this does or what to do or what codes there are. I'm gonna have to look it up individually, but I had tracked the power back. There's a disconnect. I had like 25 volts on one leg, 110 volts on the other leg, and nothing on, or maybe 3 volts on another leg. So went downstairs, found the disconnect, and found two fuses blown, just not one, two. So let me get you up on the tripod. Clean anything back here. So since it's three-phase, I should have an equal reading on all legs of power. Get my Amprobe up there. Love that meter. So if I go from my yellow to my blue. Oh, I got it unplugged. Hold on. I kind of got into this already. So I just threw the plug back in. See, I disconnected the blue from the board here. So if I go between here and the yellow, I got a reading 1 ohm. But if I go to, just make sure that's not hot. But if I go to a black, it's right here, to anything, yellow or blue, I have nothing. So crack the top open and see if I can get you down there. Stay. Tripod's not staying. Okay, so we'll take this out. I'll take the compressor. You got to be a little ginger with these. Sometimes they like to explode on you. So you got to be real kind of ginger with these compressor plugs. So if I look at the plug's fine. Compressor's not hot at all. It's cool. So now what I'm going to do, I don't know, you might be able to see it. Can't see with the glare. Okay. So if I go from here, if I go 1 pin to 1 pin, continuity there, got continuity there. Well, that's weird. Got 1 ohm there, 1.2 there. So that's weird. The compressor ohms out. but it didn't ohm out through the wires. That's why you always have to check. That's why you always got to check. Huh, that's strange. Let's try this again. See, I took the wires off the contactor and I wasn't getting a reading on my black wire. Do I have any brakes? I'm not seeing any. Let's try the compressor to ground and see what she does. I just found it kind of odd. Go from copper, bare copper. Found it kind of odd that I blew 2 fuses. There. So let's go to my black wire, see if I can find my black wire through this harness. I'm going to say it's going to be common. Well, look at son of a gun. Look at that. I got a bad harness. Huh. That's freaking strange. I don't think I've ever ran into that before on these. Huh. Let me try the blue. I'm gonna say that's start. Yes, sir. That's start. Interesting. So, what I'm doing is I'm just checking continuity from my plug back to my wires. So right now I got it on a black wire, and I have nothing here, nothing here, and nothing here. So my harness is bad. That just goes to show you that you, instead of testing at the wires, because I was going to call it a bad compressor, but that doesn't, can't figure out why it blew 2 fuses. Maybe it was just resistance. Heated those fuses up and blew both of them. Because if you see black wire there, I'm trying to figure out where to put you. So black wire there, I got one lead in the black wire, which technically that's your common, kinda. That's what they. But 3-phase is not really common. And I should have continuity right here, and I don't have continuity on any of these. Right on. So just take this as a learning experience. You need to test your compressors at the compressor, because my compressor ohms out good. think I got like 1 to 1.6 on all these. Got nothing to ground. 1.4, 1.2, 1.1. Yeah, compressor's good. That's bad. So I'm gonna go grab a term lock kit because I'm gonna cut that plug off of there. I've never had that happen to me before, but strange. Alright guys, I'll get a video on putting a term lock kit on, and I will see you on the next one.